Cartesian product, if P and Q are two non-empty sets, then Cartesian product P and Q is the set of all ordered pair of P and Q. It is like a product. It will be in the form of the elements differentiating by comma used a small bracket. Okay, it means you have given a non-empty set P and another non-empty set Q. The Cartesian product denoted by P cross Q. Look here, P cross Q equals to A comma B such that A belongs to P, means first element always belongs to first set. A belongs to P and the second element B, it will belong to Q. It means A is an element of P and B is an element of Q. This one is known as Cartesian product. So let's see here. For more generalization, I am using one more example for better understanding. So see the example. Now I am taking two non-empty sets. First one is P equal to 1, 2 and Q equal to, you can take so many examples, but here to explain I am taking Q equals to A B. So P cross Q equal to, make a small bracket like that, 1 A then comma 1 B, ordered pair. It is in an ordered, you cannot write like a 1 A then 2 B, like 1 A then 1 B. Now 2 A and 2 B. Look, with the help of diagram, how can you find the total number of ordered pair or elements of P cross Q? Just multiply the number of elements of P and Q to check your answer. Like P contains 2 elements and Q also contains 2 elements. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, total 2 cross 2 equals to 4 ordered pairs. You can say codes also. Now number 1, if either P or Q is the null set, then P cross Q will be also be empty sets, that is P cross Q equals to 5. Number 2, two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements are also equal. Third one, if P and Q are non-empty sets and either P or Q is an infinite set, then so is P cross Q. Number 4, if there is A element in P, B elements in Q, then there will be AB, means A cross B, elements in P cross Q, that is NP equals to A, NQ equals to B, and number of P cross Q equals to A cross B. Fifth one is P cross P equals to A B C, such that A B C belongs to P. Here A B C is called an ordered triplets. So all these 5 points or all these 5 rules, you can say, it is very important for Cartesian product. Now come on, we are going to understand, we are going to solve the exercise 2.1. Just I want to say here, in this point number 2 is very important and point number 4 also. And related to point number 5, if you have to find P cross P, then first always try to find P cross P then after P cross P cross P. Now exercise 2.3, question number 1. If in a bracket x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equals to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the values of x and y. See, we have given here sign of equality. So first element is always equal as per the important points. So x by 3 plus 1 equals to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. Now simple as a equation you can solve. X by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. So it will come x by 3 equals to 2 by 3, because by taking LCM you can solve, and 3 will be cancelled. So x equal to 2. So x equals to 2 is your answer. Now similarly we can solve for y. Y equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So y equals to 3 by 3. So the final answer, x equal to 2 and y equals to 1. Now come on for question number 2. Question number 2. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B equals to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. I told students in important points. Here we have given NA equals to 3 and we can see NB equals to also 3, because 3, 4, 5 only 3 elements. So NA cross B. So NA cross B equal to 3 cross 3. So 3 3s are 9. So there are 9 elements in A cross B. It is our answer. Now let's see question number 3. If G equals to 7, 8 and H equals to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. So listen here. G cross H never equals to H cross G. Be careful. So G cross H equals to 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2 as per the definition of Cartesian product. Now 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. It is G cross H. So H cross G means just you have to write first element from H and then second element from G. So let's see here. H cross G. It will be H, first element of H is 5. Okay. So it is our answer for question number 3. Now question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. See, first one, it is false, because if P equals to M, N and Q equals to N, M, then P cross Q equals to M, N, M. It is only 2, but it should be 4. Second, it is true, because first element belongs to A and second element belongs to B. Third, if A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection 5 equals to 5. It is also true. Now question number 5. If A equals to minus 1, 1, find A cross A. It means here we have to find triplet. Ordered pair triplet. Ordered product means here you have to A cross A. It is triplet. So I told already, first we have to try to find always A cross A. So since A equals to minus 1 comma 1 and A equals to minus 1 comma 1, so just find the Cartesian product A cross A. It will help directly. You can find A cross A in one line, but there is a chance of mistake. So look here, minus 1, then minus 1, then minus 1 comma 1. Now try to find A cross A cross A. It means A cross A, then multiply, otherwise cross product or Cartesian product with A. It is triplet. So see, we will get here 4 to the 8 ordered pairs. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Second is minus 1 minus 1 1, because first ordered pair of A cross A, both element will multiply both element. Now second, minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, then minus 1 comma 1 comma 1, because in second minus 1 and 1, then second element is 1. So minus 1 1 1. Now third, 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Okay, 6 is over. Now 2 more, 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, because the 1 comma 1 last it is remaining. So 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, and finally 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we completed this question number 5. Question number 6. If A cross B equals to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, find A cross B. So it is very simple, just I have written and explain it. In Cartesian product, first element belong to first set and second belongs to another, means second set.